Hi guys, today I'm gonna show you how you can hack Subway Surfers. Basically, it's not you will hack Subway Surfers. It's just an hacked app in which you will pay your game. I have hacked the Subway Surfers last month, so I am now making the video of this app. So I have given the link in the description down, and uh, download it. It will not take you to any website. It will directly start downloading because it's the link of Google Drive. It will start downloading, so please watch the full video so you can have more information about it. uh, so in this app, in this hack, you can get every season Subway servers, every season of person, special person. Like you can even get Tony, which was the first season of Subway Surfers, uh, special person, the Subway Surfers New York. And in this, you don't have to buy anything. You don't have to buy the persons. You will get unlocked all the persons. In this game, in this hack, you will also get all season hoverboard, special hoverboards every season, like Halloween season, Sydney season. It be, so please download it, and please like this video, share this video, and subscribe this video. And I have downloaded it, so I will show you the gameplay of this app. Here it is. um, Here I have downloaded it. I will install it, and I will show you the gameplay. This is how it will look like. you they will teach you how to play the game. Okay, now you can see coins and keys over here. There are unlimited coins, unlimited keys, and I will show you the persons, characters you have already. You They gave you Yutani, Spike, Fresh, Tricky, and one good thing, you also got every city special person, a special character. I just told you that you also get New York special Tony. Here's Zombie Jack Halloween special. Here's Elf Tricky, Frank. You can even open the all characters new outfits because you have unlimited keys. And you also got every city special hoverboards, you can see over here, and it is unlocked awards. These are all awards. You can also get, just increase the power of super sneakers. You can increase power of coin magnet, and it's basically time duration. Earn coins. You don't have to earn coins because you have unlimited coins already. So thanks for watching. Please like this video. I'm again saying, share this video and subscribe this video.